Gamers have infinite desires. They're always searching for the newest, most powerful weapon that will let them grind their enemies into cosmic dust. Our gamers seek glory, and ROG has always had their backs. Our mission to never compromise has led us to create the ROG Phone, the phone built 100% for our gamers. The world's fastest 2.96 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 has been specially selected for maximum performance to deliver smooth, stable frame rates. The exclusive GameCool vapor chamber cooling system with a detachable aeroactive cooler to deliver an extra blast of Arctic chill lets ROG Phone maintain blistering frame rates in even the hottest firefights. The no-compromise AMOLED HDR display produces vivid, bright visuals. Its 90 Hz refresh rate and jaw-dropping 1 millisecond pixel response time give you the best odds to frag your opponents before they frag you. The super comfortable design has side-mounted ports that let you flexibly use both hands for total control. The programmable ultrasonic air triggers will boost your response speed, while advanced haptics make you feel like you're there. Our gamers can also use accessories to activate 3 advanced ROG Phone gameplay configurations. The GameVice controller and Asus WiGig Dock combo enable ultra-low latency wireless display connectivity for gaming on TV screens. The TwinView Dock delivers the ultimate live streaming experience to our gamers. And last but not least, the mobile desktop dock lets gamers play games with a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, just like on a PC. Mobile gaming has unlimited potential. Our goal is to unlock it. ROG Phone, the weapon that takes gaming to a level beyond your imagination.